Fun fact, do you know that since the existence of this channel, so approximately 2 years, this is the first white chart video ever? Well, we need some changes. Not just on my channel, but in the crypto space. Today we are talking about WINkLink, that is incorporating some changes and acting practically as expected. What do I mean by that? Stick around. The WINkLink community finally came on top. I'm glad for you, and I am honored to analyze your coin. Let's go. If you want to continue watching these free updates on your favorite coins, why not subscribe to the channel? There's the red button. And if you want to support this channel and enter community of crypto enthusiasts, click the blue button, join our YouTube membership newly created, and see if there is something of your interest in there. It's still under construction. Much more to come. Today we are discussing daily chart of WINkLink versus dollar, and something really is happening that broke your usual downtrend that we were living in for months and months. I'll point you out some differences on this naked chart without any lines. Just look at it like this. This is January when we made this high, then we made this low, then we made lower high, and of course lower low. This is for now a clear downtrend, right? Let's continue. The price remained in the lower highs, but here something changed. We made our first higher low than this one. This is higher than this, right? And here the subtle change came with this huge move to the upside momentum that established something that will surely have a difference in the future price action of WINkLink. Ladies and gentlemen, this is higher high than this one. Just by looking at this naked chart, you can see that we are no longer entering that primal downtrend. We are now entering a different story. In my opinion, that story is consolidation. Now, this red candle, we still don't know how this will play out. It will go lower, higher, but it's not of big importance because I'm expecting some times of consolidation before the move to the higher grounds, because we just stopped being in a downtrend and we gotta absorb all that negative feelings about WINkLink to go much higher. The recovery has started, yes, this move is showing you that. This exact move is what you've been waiting for. It's neglecting all of these previous negative downtrends, okay? Of course, we gotta retrace. And if you're still not clear about what downtrend I am talking about, well, here you can see resistance, 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 breakout. Simple as that. Now, if we do the same story to the downside, supportive line is forming one big falling wedge with this bullish reversal pattern. That's why I said this is just as expected moving to the upside. Yes, support, support. This is clear as daylight. At least I hope so. Now I will move on to the moving averages because they will tell you exactly the story where we are right now. Let me repeat what I just said. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Here we had a breakout. And that's a significant point. The breakout happened exactly on the 22nd of March. And since then we have entered, as I already said, a different story. Now, the good thing would be if this 34 exponential moving average, I forgot to say this is 34 exponential moving average, serving us as resistance, should serve us as a support here. At the moment that is not the case. You can see that we are losing ground, that we are losing that support. Now, if we did regain this as support, that would mean a continuation to the upside. Now, if we lose it, then I'm just proving what I just said, that we entered in consolidation of the price, which could last a few weeks, even months. We don't know that for now. And crisscross like this until the big breakout. We'll see about that. Those are all my assumptions that could or could not be true. What is important, and the most important point of today's video, is this. Now pay attention. Do you know which exponential moving average is this? This is 144 exponential moving average. I usually finding it very important on a daily chart. And this is your reason why we stopped where we stopped, why we were rejected at around 1st of April, right as those prices, because we never broke our big resistance that is standing at 0.00038 right now. Oh god, I forgot how WINkLink has much zeros. And if you ask me at any point in this run, I would tell you, watch out this level, because this is an important line of resistance. Now the real job for WINkLink and the real boat mold will come when we break that line. Not this one. This is a short-term approach, breaking this 34 exponential moving average. 144 is totally different story. So what's the conclusion of today's chart? In the short term, we made some changes, but we made it all the way from 22nd of March, when we broke with full body candle this resistance. Now, preferably, if this one is not a support, we will enter a sideways moving price. But gain that bullish narrative, and to really say that WINkLink is bullish and going much higher, we need to break 144 exponential moving average. Remember, 0.00038. Until then, WINkLink is not full bull. It's just standing on a little calf flex and trying to recover from the severe downtrend that we were in months and months. All in all, caution is still advised. And what I advised you in our previous video on WINkLink a few months ago, I believe. Check it out. Here it is, right in front of you. This beautiful square that is standing right in front of your eyes. Thank you for clicking on it if you haven't watched it, and I'll see you in that video.